What's up, everybody? It's Charles. We are here at AAPEX at the CRP booth. I am joined by Alex from CRP, and we're going to talk about replacing plastic components with some updated metal ones, which, as my fellow technicians know, there's a lot of plastic parts on modern cars and some really awesome solutions. So Alex, tell everybody what this little Mickey Mouse guy that I have in my hand is.
So that's actually on BMWs. That is the coolant hose connector that goes from the cylinder head to the thermostat. And we've really gotten feedback from our Innovation Council that the connector breaks a lot, it gets cracked, it gets brittle, and it just starts leaking out fluid. The hose never really fails, but the connector has always had issues. So we really wanted to have a better connector, and so we started with making it out of metal so they can put it onto the hose, and it really has seemed to help solve the problem for our technicians.
So Alex, this is made by Rein. Tell me a little bit about the process from removing that old plastic one and installing this nice shiny metal piece.
So the first step is to obviously unbolt it from the car. The technician will then cut it off the old clamp, careful not to actually break the hose, and then he will take this spring brand clamp and put it onto the hose, and then he will also put on the connector into it and then reclamp this hose clamp onto the connector.
So when it comes to installing this, it's really not going to be much different than if you were replacing it with a plastic component as far as the actual R&R. It's just you're installing a higher quality one.
You're just installing a higher and a more durable product into it as well.
So other than this little adapter here that I have in my hand, what are some other things we can expect from this system?
So on this particular one, what we're trying to do next with it is we're trying to put it onto the hose for the technician, so it all is pre-mounted. They don't have to do the actual step and take the time and the labor to take the old one off and put onto a new hose. So it's a lot more of a solution time savings for that technician.
So you'll basically have a whole component rather than just one little piece.
Yes.
All right, awesome stuff, Alex. Thank you so much. I am excited to see more plastic pieces replaced by good quality metal ones, and this one does come with the seal and the spring clamp as well. If you guys want to learn more, be sure to check out the Inside the Brand series, and I will link that down below.